dark spots, textured skin, fine lines, or signs of aging? If any of these sound like concerns that you have, then keep watching to find out more. Hi, I'm Mitchelle, and in today's episode of Stay Skin Informed, we're going to talk about the magical ingredient that is retinol. Now, what is retinol? Retinol as an active is a form of vitamin A. What it actually does is it goes and renews your skin cells. So it boosts collagen production, it renews the elasticity of your skin, it gets rid of textures, clogged pores, it also gets rid of dark spots, because what it is doing is it is taking away the layer of skin that you have on top and it is making your skin create a fresh new layer underneath and getting that out. Now let's talk about who can use retinol. Every skin type can technically use retinol, but if you are a bit sensitive, retinol has the tendency to sensitize your skin just a little bit. What matters is you keep track of these three important factors: the right concentration of retinol, the right frequency of usage, and the right formulation that you're using for your skin. As long as you keep these three factors in mind, you are all set for a skin transformation. So, how and when do you use retinol? Since retinol is a bit of a strong ingredient, we recommend that you use it only at night. And you can try retinol in the form of a serum or in the form of a night cream. And when you're using retinol, ensure that you are using it only once a week when you first start out. Again, as your skin gets used to the ingredient, you can start doing it twice a week or thrice a week, depending on how much your skin is used to it. Although that may mean months of usage before you start seeing any results. So let's find out how pairing works when it comes to retinol. Now, retinol being quite a potent active already, you don't necessarily need any other serums in your same routine. And it is advisable to actively avoid most other serums unless it's a hyaluronic acid at the most. So that means your routine with retinol as a serum should look like a cleanser, followed by your toner, followed by your retinol serum and your moisturizer. If you have drier or more sensitive skin, try the sandwich method, which is basically just the method where you apply your moisturizer before and after your retinol serum, making a little sandwich of your retinol. This gives you a lot of added hydration and moisture and prevents your skin from drying or flaking out. One thing to keep in mind when you're using retinol, make sure you never ever skip your sunscreen. Technically, you shouldn't be skipping your sunscreen anyway, but doubly so when it comes to retinol. Because retinol sensitizes your skin a little bit, it is much more easier to get sun damage. So keep your skin safe. Please use sunscreen. So that's all I've got for you today. Look up here for a link to a video that explains retinol in a lot more detail. And check the description box below for some beginner retinol products from Plum. Thanks for having me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked watching this video, please remember to drop a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye!